Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Pixel Technical Analysis. Basic concept ng support and resistance. So meron tayong previously resistance here nung nabasag ni Pixel and nire-respect niya lang the moment na tumama siya sa previous resistance is nagiging support area and then nag-bounce back yet. Currently, still respected pa rin yung support area natin. Bakit? Meron tayong mga green candle na sumasalo dito. So currently, forming descending triangle itong Pixel and currently nagbabasag na ng trendline resistance natin. Titingnan natin kung gagawa siya ng mga higher low sa lower time frame to continue yung uptrend momentum na to. And the moment na respect nyo yung trendline support sa lower time frame, possible magkaroon ng uptrend momentum and to change yung bias to uptrend. But the moment na basagin niya yung horizontal support natin is magkaroon tayo ng weakness sa buyer's momentum ng Pixel. Currently, Pixel is trying to gain yung uptrend momentum sa lower time frame. Always wait ng pullback and always check if may sasalo to confirm yung uptrend momentum.